welcome back to Mass Expert Video Tutorials. Let's try our next question, that is 1 plus cos theta. R is equal to 1 plus cos theta. So here is going to be R is equal to 1 plus cos theta. Alright, so that's the values that we are going to get. So let's see how we are going to plot it. First of all, check your R. The maximum number is what? 2. So your scale, you can make it 0.5. So here 1.0, 1.5. Then you make it to be 2.0. So we'll leave the last one. Alright, so now let's go. At 0, the R is what? 2. So at 0, the R is 2. That means that we are here. Beautiful. At pi on 4, the R there is what? 1.7. At pi on 4, the R there is 1.7. So 1.7 is going to be, if here is 1.5, then 1.7 will be somewhere in the middle here. How we can see that? Alright. Let's continue with it. At pi on 2, we have 1. So at pi on 2, we have it to be 1. Then my own is not according to scale, okay? So always make your own accurate, because I have taught you how to plot what? Points. So these things shouldn't be difficult for you. Alright. So now we have it to be 1, so 1 will be here. Alright. At 3 pi on 2. So at 3 pi on 2, we have it to be 0.3. So at 3 pi on 2, 0.3. Alright. So that means that here is 0.5. So 0.3 will be somewhere here. Okay. At pi, 0. Oh, that means it will come back to where? 0. You can sketch what you have now and you see how it is. It's like this. From this to this, from this to this, from this to this, then it comes back to where? 0. So we have something like this. Beautiful. Let's move on. At 5 pi on 4. At 5 pi on 4. Where is 5? Okay. At 5 pi on 4, what do we have? 0.3. Beautiful. So that means that at 5 pi on 4, we have it to be 0.3. So 0.3 will be somewhere here. 2 is what? 1. So 3 pi on 2 is 1. And 1 is going to be here. 1 is going to be here. Alright, let's move on. So at 7 pi on 4 is 1.7. So 1.72 is somewhere here. Alright, because here is 1.5. Lastly, 2 pi is what? 2. So that one 2 will be where? Here. That one 2 will come back here. So what we have here is like this. Go to this side, come to this side, come here, then lastly, it moves to the 2. So that's what we are going to have. Beautiful. Beautiful. And there is a name given to this, and I will let you know later as we journey through the course. And you love it. See you for the next question. Alright, welcome to our second question under this video. Alright, so now, this is another polar equation. I'm still using the interval pi on what? 4. I love it. Okay, so now this is what we are going to have. Just do the substitution. So you check, the maximum R is what? 3. Beautiful. So that means that we can choose the scale of, it depends on your graph. 1, 2, 3. So I will choose my own like this. So I will choose my own like this. Okay. So now let's see what we are going to have. So at 0, what do we have? 1. At 0, 1. Okay. At pi on 4, 2.4. Beautiful. Pi on 4, 2.4. So if there is 2, here is 3, then the middle here will be 2.5. So you can choose 2.4 to be here. At pi on 2, pi on 2 is 3. Alright, so the 3 will be here. Good. I hope you can see what we are getting now. Let's get to pi before we sketch what we have. At pi we have 1. So, sorry. At 3 pi on 2, that's where we are. 2.4. 3 pi on 2 is 2.4. And that's the same thing like this. Alright, so this will be in the same line. Then at pi is what? 1. Beautiful. So this one will be in the same line. So see, this point, the same thing. The same thing there, the top one. So beautiful. See what we are going to have. Watch me up. We are going to use this graphing idea to get to our next level. So make sure you understand and understand it well. See you. Alright, so let's see. So it goes like this. How you are watching? Beautiful. Woo. Good. So it's something like this. And here we are. Let's see what is going to happen here. Beautiful. So at 5 pi on 4, we have negative 0.5. So 5 pi on 4 is negative 0.5. I hope me and you is aware that it's going to be the reflection, right? So if here is 1, then the middle here will be what? 1.5. So if you are looking for negative 0.4, we can choose to be here. You can choose it to be here. So that is going to be that. Let's see. Let's continue. At 3 pi on 2, negative 1. 3 pi on 2, negative 1. So negative 1 is going to be the reflection, right? So if here is 1, then here will be what? Negative 1. Beautiful. I like what we are going to get. 7 pi on 4. 7 pi on 4 is negative 0.5. So 7 pi on 4, the reflection is negative 0.5. Negative 0.4, not 5. So that one too, we get a reflection, and the reflection is going to be here. Beautiful. I like what we are going to get. Let's continue. Last one, 2 pi. And 2 pi is the same as the 0. So 2 pi is what? 1. Alright. So 2 pi is 1, right? Okay. So 2 pi is 1. And 1 is what we have here. So it will end here. Alright. So let's see what we are going to get. And trust me, you will have it. So we are going to get something like this. Alright, watch. So now let's see what we are going to have. Beautiful. So it's going to, from here, let's continue. Get to this. How you are watching? So get to this, pass this side, come back to this, pass here, then it comes back to 1. That is why 2 pi is what? 1. So you continue from here, pass through the origin, then it will pass through this, it will pass through that, it will pass through that, and it will pass through that. And there is a name given to this. That is what we call, I will tell you in the next video when we get there, and you will love it. Alright, so that's going to be that. Make sure you practice more, okay? Alright, you can practice on r is equal to 2 plus 3 cos theta. You can practice on it, and later on, you can hit me on WhatsApp and show to me. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Have you realized something? The first question, it was in course, right? And it was on this side. But that one, there was nothing like inside of this. But now this sign, and it's on the y-axis, and we have it in the inside. Something is happening, and I'll give you the technique later, okay? Don't worry. Bye-bye.